Hello, myself Dr. Gautam Purohit. I am working as a head and neck consultant, head and neck cancer surgeon at Kolhapur Cancer Center since last 3 years. In our Kolhapur Cancer Center, we cater variety of head and neck cancer patients. There is a lot of variety at our institute, including cancers of oral cavity, tongue, then cancers of the voice box, that is larynx, cancers of nose and paranasal sinuses, cancers of various salivary glands. There are many types of cancers of salivary glands. We have in-house radiation therapy, chemotherapy department. The head neck cancer patients require multimodality treatment. The main part is the surgery, and majority of the patients also require radiation as well as chemotherapy. I would like to stress about in our Kolhapur Cancer Center, many of the people think that cancer surgeries are very radical, but in our institute we manage nose and paranasal sinuses surgery with the help of modern endoscopes. We remove the disease endoscopically, so we can avoid the scar on the face, we can avoid the patient stay in the hospital, and better cosmesis can be achieved to the patient. I would like to add more on the surgery of the larynx, because I'm a specialist in it. In the surgery of the larynx, in the previous days, the whole voice box needs to be removed, but nowadays, because of the modern radiation therapy and chemotherapy protocols, the incidence of surgery has reduced, but some patients still require the total laryngectomy surgery. So after total laryngectomy, we manage the patient here. We can give the voice also to the patient with the help of artificial voice prosthesis. We can give electrolarynx to the patients and restore the voice of the patient. So apart from the surgery, surgery is also very important part, but the reconstruction part, the rehabilitation part is also very important in cancer patients. So we focus on rehabilitation part also, and we try to give best to the benefit of the patients. I would like to give one very important message to all of you. Cancer is like a time bomb. As the time passes, the stage of the cancer increases. We have to catch the cancer in time. Early diagnosis is very important. If you have any symptoms like a burning sensation in mouth, non-healing ulcer in the mouth, any bleeding from gums or throat, change of persistent prolonged change of voice, any swelling in the neck, please don't hesitate to visit the doctors, because any of the above symptoms can be a early sign of the malignancy, that is early sign of the cancer. So don't waste time. Early diagnosis is the key for success of the cancer patients. Thank you.